Did you sleep at all, Gold? I'll take that as a no. Are you okay?
I miss her so much.
I know you do. I wish there was more I could do to help. You don't deserve this pain. No one does.
Without Prisma, I don't know what I'm doing. Just look at what I became when I lost her. Even Orange knows I'm a lost cause, that I'm not worth saving.
Gold, don't say that. Of course you're worth saving. You've made a lot of mistakes in your life, but it's not too late to take it back. I know you can do this.
As long as I have you by my side, Purple. Bucket Queen? You're weird as hell, you know that, Yellow? Hey guys, it's almost time for the next challenge. Are you excited?
Oh goody. And what kind of fun challenge does that stupid robot have up his sleeve today?
I'm not sure, but he told me to tell you guys to get on his boat.
That metal piece of junk has a boat?
Yep, and that's where today's challenge is taking place. So come on, guys, and let's go have fun.
She actually thinks this is fun. Whatever, I'll do your dumb challenge as long as I get to see Cyan get eaten by a shark.
Okay, dude, seriously, what did I ever do to you?
Everyone, in order for the next contest to start, all of you have to get on my boat.
So, what's the challenge?
Well, the remaining 15 of you will try to survive on the boat as long as possible. You're allowed to push any other contestants you want off the boat. If you fall in, you have to swim back to shore, and there will be some towels there. The first team to have all of its members in the water will be up for elimination. Wait, we can push off anyone we want? That changes everything. Are you serious, Navy? What in the world was that for? You're such a jerk, you know that? Well, guess what? I don't give a crap. In fact, I would go as far as to push off all my other teammates just to show off my strength by surviving the challenge by myself. You would not seriously do that.
He would, and he just did.
Crap. Well, Soyan's out, so it's down to me and you two.
Well, Red's out, so it's down to me and you, Green.
Well, Blue's out, so it's all down to me. You ready for your sad little team to be defeated, Green? Not if I can help it. Nice try, jerk. Grr. If you can't do better than that, Navy, you're gonna lose. Well, while those guys fight to the death, our team is kinda safe since they're so focused on each other.
You got that right, hon.
This is one hell of a fight scene. Ah! Ha! Who's the jerk now? Still you. Yeah, I guess you have a point. Well, Team Gray is really hot. Landed in the water before Green did. So that means that Team Gray is really hot is up for elimination. Ah, seriously? Robot Periwinkle, let's see the votes. White, maroon, one of you will be eliminated.
Sorry, hon, but you jinxed us, and we can't have that happen again. I hope you understand.
Yeah, I guess. Oh yeah? Well then, Mr. Green with Envy, enlighten me, because I don't know where the hell I am.
You're a funny one, Davy. But perhaps you're right. Perhaps I should get to the point. I know that you miss them.
Don't you ever bring them up around me. Ever again. You got that? That's all in the past, and I've moved on.
That's a lie, and we both know it. Because I know that every single day of your life, you're fighting as hard as you can for her.
You're lying. I don't care about her anymore.
Then why did you join Color Chaos? You poor kid must be a terrible man.
Oh, Jesus.